Hola amigos, welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to show you how I was making my famous ají colombiano. It's very simple. I have everything ready here for go cut, and I got you guys. Normal I put here is 2 tomatoes Roma. I'm gonna put my bowl. This is onions, the normal onion you guys use over here, the onions, and I had the one big one, and this is green onions, and cut very small that make a better taste to my ají. This is cilantro. It's give so good flavors to everything. I like put a lot in the soups, and I use a lot the cilantro. Okay, this is everything, all the ingredients used all the time. You miss, and I guys see. This is my Colombian ají. I have one plant bring to Colombia my husband. We plant the seeds, and now I have every year this ají. And put one because it's very spicy. And over there in the side, put my ají and a spoon the salt, and I'm going to squish it. It depends on everybody. You like more spicy, you can put more. You don't like so spicy, you only put half. And si you like it, you can see, I can find the ají que es difficult, no? You can put jalapenos, you cut small, very small, put in there, you taste, no? People like very spicy, others like middle. This is the way I do, and the way I learned from my grandma, no? In Colombia. This is, I want cherry with you guys. Yes. Normal I use 1 or 2 lines, depend how juicy it is. And normal I do with my hands. It's easy for me. These lines is very juicy. Just mix everything. Some people maybe call in other countries como pico de gallo. It's very similar. Pero my is Colombian ají. We use it in Colombia all the time. With the carne asada. We accompany with beer and potatoes. It's very good. And this is was finished product. Enjoy, and I'm going to testing. Delicious. The salt is good, everything. You put the salt the way you like it, no? This is perfect. Thank you for watching my shop. Si les gusta, dale like y nos vemos en el próximo.